Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to make your Facebook completely private on iPhone. So we'll head over to Facebook, tap on this menu icon below right of your page, head over to where you see settings and privacy, head over to settings, scroll until you find audience and audibility. Now you can see different options of which you'd like to make changes to. Okay, so you can tap on your profile. Now you can see profile details, how people can find and contact you, posts, stories, reels, avatars, and so on. Okay, so you can choose who can view these things. Okay, so the best way to go completely private on Facebook is for you to turn on only me option on all of these to make sure that it is completely private. All right, so let's head over to profile details. As you can see, my hometown here is public, so I can decide to change this to only me to make it completely private, and I'll tap on save. Okay, I head over to my contact info. I head over to who can view this. As you can see, it's also set to only me. All right, so I can save this and continue. We head over to the next part. Do this for all of this just to make your account private to your taste. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you around some other time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notifications or notified when next I make a tutorial. Thank you.